my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I'm going to do a pour on a 12 by 36 inch artist loft canvas. I'm going to do, I don't know, I want to have a lot of negative space, and I'm just going to be doing some shades of purple with some gold. The colors I'm using, of course, are 24 karat gold Deco Arts metallic 24 karat gold. SOHO's DIOXAZINE violet hue. Liquitex Basics brilliant purple. Liquitex Basics deep violet. And Liquitex Basics purple gray. And then I'm going to be using Amsterdam's Acrylic Flow White for my smear color. I have a lot of paint on my tool here, but anyway. So I'm going to pour down my base first here. I do want to thank everybody for joining me today. I appreciate all of you guys for watching. If you're new, thanks for coming and joining us today. If you're a returning subscriber, you know how much I love you guys. You guys make my day with all the amazing sweet comments that you say. I have this pour that I'm going to do today. Well, the reason why I'm kind of doing all purples, and so I have a cousin who was just killed in a motorcycle accident here last weekend, and he lived in Minnesota, so I decided I'm going to do something with all purples because that's where Prince lives, and Prince is I don't know if my cousin was into Prince or not. I don't think he was so much, but I want to do something for him. And like I said, I want to have some negative space, so I'm going to kind of just do the purples through the middle here and then just kind of move it around somewhat. I'm going to put a little bit of gold in there, but the majority of it I do want to have the purples. beautiful, and it symbolizes like my cousin flying off into heaven. He was an amazing man. He was an amazing father. He took care of all his boys all by himself. Raised them all up. The youngest is 17, I believe. They range from, I believe, 24 to 17. But yeah, I really like this. I'm really happy with it. I'll definitely, I'm gonna bring it down for a close-up. Okay, maybe now you'll be able to kind of see where I'm talking, like that's the head of the dragon. And he's just flying off away in the sunset. It's beautiful. Look at that. It really looks like a dragon's head to me. I hope you guys can see it. If you can't, let me know what you think. It's crazy how it turned out this way because I wanted to do this just for Joe. And I appreciate everybody watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I apologize I didn't talk a whole lot. It's kind of emotional. But I'm really happy with how it turned out. But yep. So if everybody could say a prayer for my cousin and his boys. I got a tough time coming up. But thanks everybody for watching. I hope everybody is being healthy and safe. And sorry about the light up above. I appreciate you guys so much. Hopefully you will like and subscribe and share and all that fun jazz. Have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye.